Have you ever stopped to ponder the breakneck speed at which technology is evolving? It's almost like we're hurtling into the future at warp speed, isn't it? But amidst this whirlwind of innovation, there's one concept that stands out. One that's been capturing imaginations and sparking debates for years. Artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard it right. AI. The marvel of our modern age. But what exactly is AI? And why is it such a big deal? In this video, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey through the 7 stages of AI development. From its humble beginnings to its mind-bending potentials, we'll explore every twist and turn of this incredible saga. So, whether you're an AI enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or simply someone curious about the future of our world, you're in for a treat. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of AI as we peel back the layers and uncover its secrets. Stage 1. Rule-based AI systems. At this stage, AI operates on a set of predefined rules and logic. Imagine it as a giant decision tree, where every possible scenario has a predetermined outcome. Rule-based AI systems excel at tasks that can be broken down into clear-cut rules and guidelines. Take chess, for example. Here, the AI evaluates the board position, considers possible moves, and selects the best option based on predetermined rules. It's like playing chess against a human, but instead of intuition and creativity, the AI relies solely on programmed rules. However, despite their effectiveness in certain domains, rule-based AI systems have their limitations. One major drawback is their lack of adaptability. Since these systems rely solely on predefined rules, they struggle to learn from new experiences or adapt to changing environments. In other words, they're great at following instructions, but fall short when faced with unfamiliar situations. Moreover, the complexity of real-world problems often exceeds the capabilities of rule-based AI. Tasks that involve ambiguity, uncertainty, or context-dependent decision-making are particularly challenging for these systems. So while rule-based AI systems pave the way for the field of artificial intelligence, they represent just the first step in a much larger journey. As we'll see in the stages to come, AI evolves to tackle increasingly complex challenges, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of technology. It's time to move on to stage 2 of our journey: context awareness and retention systems. As AI continues to evolve, it's breaking free from the confines of rigid rules and venturing into the realm of context awareness. Context-aware AI systems are all about understanding the nuances of human interaction. They analyze not just the input they receive, but also the broader context surrounding it. This allows them to personalize their responses and adapt to the unique needs of each user. Think of smartphone assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. These AI marvels don't just regurgitate pre-programmed responses. Instead, they learn from your behavior, understand your preferences, and tailor their interactions accordingly. Whether you're asking for the weather forecast or setting a reminder, they seamlessly integrate context into their responses, making the experience feel more natural and intuitive. For example, if you ask Siri to remind me to buy milk, it will not only create a reminder, but also remember the context of your request. So the next time you're at the grocery store, it might suggest adding milk to your shopping list without you even asking. This ability to retain context and personalize responses marks a significant leap forward in the evolution of AI. It's not just about following predefined rules anymore, it's about understanding the intricacies of human communication and adapting on the fly. Stage 3 of artificial intelligence: domain-specific mastery systems. At this stage, AI transcends mere context awareness and ventures into the realm of domain-specific mastery. These systems aren't just knowledgeable, they're experts in their respective fields. Take, for instance, IBM's Watson. This iconic AI powerhouse rose to fame by showcasing its prowess in natural language processing and data analysis. From diagnosing medical conditions to predicting financial trends, Watson's domain-specific mastery knows no bounds. But Watson isn't alone in its domain-specific expertise. Google's DeepMind AlphaGo stunned the world by mastering the ancient game of Go, a feat once thought to be beyond the reach of machines. By employing advanced neural networks and reinforcement learning algorithms, AlphaGo surpassed even the most skilled human players, demonstrating the immense potential of domain-specific AI. What sets these systems apart is their ability to excel in highly specialized tasks, often surpassing human capabilities. Whether it's crunching complex data sets or mastering strategic games, domain-specific mastery AI systems redefine what's possible in their respective domains. Stage 4 of artificial intelligence: thinking and reasoning AI systems. At this stage, AI transcends mere mastery of specific domains and delves into the realm of human-like thinking and reasoning. These systems are no longer just tools, they're cognitive entities capable of understanding, learning, and reasoning much like humans do. Central to the development of thinking and reasoning AI systems are techniques like machine learning and deep learning. These approaches enable AI to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions without explicit programming. Consider the example of language translation. In the past, translating text from one language to another was a labor-intensive process, requiring extensive human intervention. But with the advent of deep learning algorithms, AI can now understand the nuances of language, discern context, and produce translations that rival those of human translators. Moreover, thinking and reasoning AI systems are increasingly adept at solving complex problems that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intellect. From medical diagnosis to financial forecasting, these systems leverage advanced algorithms to analyze data, draw inferences, and make decisions with remarkable accuracy. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of thinking and reasoning AI systems is their capacity for continuous improvement. Through techniques like reinforcement learning, AI can learn from its experiences, refine its strategies, and adapt to changing circumstances over time. As we'll see in the stages to come, thinking and reasoning AI systems represent a profound leap forward in the evolution of artificial intelligence. With their ability to mimic human cognition, these systems hold the promise of revolutionizing countless aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education, from business to entertainment. Stage 5 of artificial intelligence: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. At this theoretical stage, AI reaches a level of intelligence on par with human beings. Imagine a world where machines possess not only the ability to learn and adapt, but also the capacity to perform any task that a human can. Artificial general intelligence represents the culmination of decades of research and development in the field of AI. Unlike previous stages, where AI systems were designed for specific tasks or domains, AGI aims to create machines with a broad range of cognitive abilities. These capabilities include not only learning from experience and reasoning through complex problems, but also understanding and communicating in natural language, recognizing patterns and emotions, and exhibiting creativity and intuition. In essence, AGI represents the realization of the long-standing dream of creating machines that can truly think and act like humans. However, it's important to acknowledge that AGI remains a concept, a lofty goal that has yet to be achieved. While we've made tremendous strides in AI research and development, creating a machine with the breadth and depth of human intelligence remains an elusive challenge. Despite the tantalizing potential of AGI, many experts caution against rushing towards its development without fully understanding the ethical, social, and existential implications involved. So, while we continue to push the boundaries of AI research, let's remember to approach the quest for artificial general intelligence with careful consideration and thoughtful reflection. After all, the path to AGI may be fraught with challenges, but the possibilities it holds for the future of humanity are truly awe-inspiring. Stage 6 of artificial intelligence: artificial superintelligence, or ASI. At this stage, AI transcends the boundaries of human cognitive abilities, achieving levels of intelligence far surpassing our own. Imagine a world where machines not only think and reason like humans, but do so with unparalleled speed, accuracy, and creativity. While the concept of ASI may seem like the stuff of science fiction, it's a topic that's gained increasing attention in recent years. As AI continues to advance, many experts believe that it's only a matter of time before we reach a point where machines outstrip human intelligence in every way. But with this incredible potential comes a host of concerns. The prospect of ASI raises profound questions about ethics, safety, and the future of humanity. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for ASI to be misused or exploited for bad purposes. Imagine a scenario where a superintelligent AI system falls into the wrong hands, capable of manipulating markets, disrupting political systems, or even posing existential threats to humanity. Moreover, the implications of ASI outperforming humans in various tasks are staggering. From scientific research to medical diagnosis, from economic forecasting to artistic creation, ASI has the potential to revolutionize virtually every aspect of our lives. The final stage of the evolution of artificial intelligence, the AI singularity. The AI singularity is a concept that has captured the imaginations of scientists, futurists, and science fiction writers alike. At its core, it represents a hypothetical future point where technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, leading to profound changes in human civilization. The term singularity draws its inspiration from astrophysics, where it describes a point of infinite density and gravitational force, such as at the center of a black hole. In the context of AI, the singularity refers to a moment when AI systems become so advanced and powerful that they surpass human intelligence, leading to an exponential acceleration of technological progress. Speculation about the AI singularity has sparked intense debate and controversy. Some envision an utopian future where superintelligent AI solves humanity's most pressing problems, from disease to poverty to environmental degradation. Others, however, warn of dystopian scenarios where AI's capabilities spiral out of control, leading to unintended consequences and existential threats to humanity. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to advance, we must grapple with the ethical questions and societal implications it raises. From concerns about privacy and bias to fears of job displacement and existential risks, the path forward is fraught with challenges. Yet, amidst these challenges, we must not lose sight of the incredible opportunities that AI presents. From revolutionizing healthcare and education to driving innovation and economic growth, AI has the power to transform our lives for the better. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the future of AI. Once again, thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more fascinating insights into the world of technology and innovation. Until next time, stay curious.